Okay, this may take you a minute to fix, but I promise you in the long run it will help. Okay, we're going to start with your scale. Delete it, go to Create, and do your text label. Okay, this one right here, text label. So if you go down to the bottom, you'll see we're doing scale. Scale, click on the green arrow. Okay, there's your scale. We're going to move it to place, and we're going to move this line. Okay, next, your sheet. Delete it, go to Create, text to label. Now, sheet number, very bottom, green arrow, click Apply, okay. Okay. I like to center these. It's easier to work with when they're centered. Okay, now for these, keep your created by, but delete your initials. We're actually going to move this here, and your checked by down here. Your created by is going to be the same as your drawn by. So we're going to change this to checked by. The date, we'll leave that the same. Project number, we're going to delete that. Okay. Okay. So go up to here to create label. Checked by, we will literally click checked by, add parameter, move that wherever you want it. Created by, create text label. Designed by, add apply. Date. We said we were going to leave that the same, so we're going to use the text, not the text label. Because this is the date when you're ending your class, 12/23. Oh, I always do that. Okay. Now what we're going to do with this, so it looks like these DSG, the size, we're going to go here to Edit Type, Duplicate to add a 6 text note, and change this to 1/4 of an inch. That way it makes it big like this other one. Let's change this. Okay. Now here is where you had your project number. This is where we'll do your text label. Go down to project number, add parameter. Once you add your project number, it shouldn't go over your lines. It should be smaller than that. In fact, we can change this to tag We'll just do 1A. That way it'll fit in there better. Okay, cover sheet, same thing. This is going to be your sheet name. Apply, okay. So you get the point of what I'm doing. Now when you go to add this sheet into your project later, it's going to be so much easier because everything's going to auto-populate for you. Okay, I want you to do that for the rest of these also. This will be your project name. This will be your client name. This will be your project name again and your project address. I'm going to show you this one because this is interesting. So we'll create a label. And we're going to do project name and then project address. Okay, we'll add 2 parameters in here. Okay, click apply. Okay, so center this. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you is how to create this. So whenever you add revisions later, it will auto-populate those revisions here and you won't have to manually do it. So we're going to go to View. Okay, sorry. We're going to go to View and we're going to go to Revision Schedule. These are all good. I want you to go to Appearance and we're going to uncheck blank row before data. We're going to uncheck Show Title. Okay. And then we're going to update this. Number. What did I do? Okay. Description. And date. Okay. Then you'll close out of this. See this little X over here. Now go to your views in your project browser and schedule. In your revision schedule, you'll drag it into here. Now, we're going to make the number column smaller, the date column smaller, and the description column wider, and we're going to fit it in here. Okay. Then, I'm going to delete all of this. And the last thing we're going to do, click on Revision Schedule and click on Formatting. Oh, okay, sorry. Appearance. Go to Height and do User Defined. Okay. Once you click on this, you'll be able to stretch it. And there you go. So now when you add revisions later, it will automatically put that there and you won't have to do it manually.